What's up, fellas? Me and Blake are about to go out here and hit the woods. I'm gonna show you what's in the backpack. Show you why I haul it around with me everywhere and what's in it. Maybe you guys can tell me what I'm missing, so. And we'll try and use some of the shit. So here it is. I don't carry the backpack for when the bike's running. I do it for whenever it breaks down, so.
Yep.
Now this bike's broke down. Who knows? Issue is Blake tuned it up the other day, but
yeah, I didn't check the handlebars,
but everything else. So we're gonna see what's in this bag and see if it's worth hucking around with us, man. See what we got here. If there's even anything that'll help, and what all's in this. Check it, dudes. This is pretty simple. Got an old Phillips screwdriver, a stabber driver. I got a, this is for tying off, I think, or what do they do with this?
That's for getting our food. Stop, dude! You're not supposed to aim a gun at somebody, even if it's not loaded.
A Ruger won't fire without a clip, so.
Let me see that.
That's a Ruger. What we got here? Some glow sticks. Huh, those must have been left over from something. Got a tire plug kit. Ooh, look at there. Plug puller, some spare plugs for the bike. A little lantern. Look at a first aid kit here that Blake's pretty much used all the band-aids from.
Yeah.
He's got a lot of boo-boos. This is like one of those ones you can get on Amazon, and it's only 30 bucks or so. And then you can always add your shit to it.
Oh, there's my credit card.
There's his credit card.
Oh, shit.
The Pepto, damn, they got butt pills in here. Oh, shit. It comes with a spark plug for my BW80.
Oh, damn.
See, guys, I'm telling you, this is
that's a good kit.
Yeah, this is a good ass kit, dude. And a new chain for a China bike.
Yeah. No, that's strangle cord.
Oh, right.
For it, like, if you're out in the wilderness and then you got to take out some enemies.
Oh, okay, quietly.
Quietly, yeah.
So this.
You never know when you need to get more water or food, supplies, gas.
You get your can opener and your tiny saw if you really want to make it a long day for somebody. This is more of a first aid kit than anything else, but it's got a bunch of...
What are those, placebos?
Yeah, it's got... No, these are real.
Oh.
These are Get Sleezos.
Oh.
I think I might have added that to it. Just in case, man. Benadryl, in case you get bit by, you know, daggum cobra.
Yep. Spitting viper ant.
Texas rattler. Then you got all this first aid crap over here. For it looks like... like COVID test kit came with it and some other stuff. Now this isn't a bug out pack, people. This is just a pack that I take out when I'm riding. The cool thing about this too is if I didn't want to give up room, I could strap this puppy to my bag and then have all that extra space in there.
I could wear it as a backpack.
Blake could wear this one as a backpack, yeah.
Yep.
Then I'll wear this one. All right, fellas. So in here we got a litany of other tools. Obviously, you always need some of those.
Some pliers.
A couple pair of those in there. I got some vice grips.
Vice grips.
Hey, Harbor Freight, boys, when it's on sale, I think this puppy's about $3.99. She's seen some action.
And she got a little kitten herself.
That's dry blood. Maybe I should wash it, but
I wouldn't.
You know what? People see a knife that's bloody, they take it a lot more seriously.
It's character.
Then they know, oh shit, he might have used that thing a time or two.
Today. Don't get my order wrong and you won't get stabbed.
Man, that's an old one. I haven't drank it, but I carry it around. I always got to have a good old liter of water.
Tequila. I put tequila on that, but.
Got extra fuel line in here. This right here, $3 at the old Harbor Freights. Come on now.
Sleeping bag.
You got to have a sleeping bag. It'll keep you off the ground. It'll
tarp for shelter.
All that stuff. So
you could use that as shelter.
That's a good piece.
Yep.
It's a real good piece.
You can create a good lean-to after you cut down a few trees. Wow.
For anchoring that, I have some zip ties in here somewhere, I know. Some nut drivers and basically every kind of screwdriver head in there you could think of. And then I have one of those screwdrivers in here without the end on it. This isn't a bug out bag, guys. This is just for going and riding. So if you get stranded overnight or something, you'll make it. And if I was going out to ride right now, I'd already threw some snacks in here. There'd have been a couple extra food,
some jerkies and some ice creams and some.
Oh, here we go. Good old serrated multi-tool. See that?
It's been used.
That puppy's got some mileage on it.
It's been used. We have been stranded. By choice.
By choice. Blake's already got a spill right here from his carburetor leaking gas.
Yep.
If you don't turn it on.
Nope. But
See
that's
the leak?
for the video.
There's a few ways you could do it.
You got to pick up
So
the
good.
leaf.
No spark condition.
It's in your pocket.
You get a little bit of that gasoline. You know what I'm saying? A little gasoline. A little gas.
Right underneath the bike.
Right under the. You want it to be under the bike. That way. I mean, we're gonna need fire about this high. It's Blake's bike. He parks them in no parking zones. Basically, what you would do. Hopefully your bike doesn't drip. You would just get into the tank and slosh some of it out. Even if you're out of gas.
Just dump it over and it'd come out the overflow on the carb.
Yeah, and even if you're out of gas, there'll be enough in there to start a fire. But what you don't want to do, if this is all you have, you don't want to light it and then walk away from it to go get firewood and shit, because you're not going to be able to utilize it. So you want to have all your shit set up first. Oh, you bitch.
It's on fire.
There you go. So now if I went to go grab sticks and put them on there, I'd be shit out of luck. You want to have it all there first.
You want
That's
some
easy.
kindling, little twigs,
That's the easy way.
dry leaves, and then some bigger
It's
logs.
a nice hickory smell too, guys. It's a hickory.
Make sure you always put out your fires. Smokey the Bear will be very appreciative.
Being a real badass is that you would fix the bike. So that's what I've actually done. So, like I said, usually there's a little more food in here. That knife I didn't show you, it's got that little cubby in it, some fishing line and some bullshit like that. Old string cheese I put in there for bait. And
Well, fire her up. See if she runs now.
this one,
Yeah,
let's try and kneecap.
we just fixed her.
Finding a rock's gonna be tough.
I got one.
I shot it. It's over there.
Wait, what kind of
There's
rock?
one over there for sure.
What kind of rock?
Smoking rocks.
Yeah.
She fixed, dog. What you think she
Oh.
ain't fixed? Tell me she ain't fixed. She fixed.
See that, boys?
Now we're back on the road. We're getting home.
She's
And we had a
fixed.
little snack. Ate up. Now, obviously, if this was a real scenario, I would have strangled a squirrel or something.
Yep.
Debutted
That's what the
it,
knife was
put it
for.
on the-
Skinned the back strap on a deer, gutted it, cooked it right there,
and then we would have been good.
left the rest of the meat.
And that's okay.
Back
in a
strap's the
survival
best part.
situation, boys. You don't need a tag when you're trying to survive.
That is true. And that's the excuse I use every year.
Your resident, so we're all just out here trying to survive.
Yeah, this is actually where we live now. Sold,
Put a good gap on 'em.
sold the house. This is Canada, boys. We just crossed the border. It looks kind of like back home,
It does. It's nice. And
but
it
it's
ain't
not.
snowing yet.
It's not a.
Hey. Oh yeah, we need to assimilate.
I do have some beer spots over here, I think.
Yeah, this looks familiar. Hey guys, check out this barn find. Tell me if you recognize this two-stroke. I'll tell you that. Seems like a good old boy. Looks like he might be related to Biden.